Hello guys, this tutorial is about cloning a Git repository or downloading the Git repository files into your local computer. First of all, you should have access to Git repository that says clone with https of the project, and click on copy URL and go to your local open folder, and wherever you want to clone the Git repository into local, and go to your local file folder and click on git bash here. You have to have git installed in your system computer. First of all, type command git init, hit enter, and all you have to do is git clone, and the code you have copied from the clone tab https from the git repository. Simply paste the code and hit enter. Here the repository will be cloned in your local file folder, and as you can see, project 1 folder has been created, that is project 1 git repository, and inside it is a my file text. And here on your git repository you can see my file text says text content is hi, I am initial git, and your local file also will have same with initial git. And to change message, you have to work into from local, again upload your local changes to git repository. You can simply type git second am and second git and save into your notepad, and from the folder again click on git bash here, and it says first check git status, that is modified file and not been committed to your git, and git add dot means you are going to add all the file folders from your local to git repository. After doing git add, again check git status. Here the green color text means the modified has been added to the git and ready to commit. This is in staging. And here you can set message I am second commit, and finally git push. And here your local file says hi, I am and git second git. Initially it was hi, I am initial git. And go to your git repository, you can also see the updated commit with your commit message second commit, and the file in git also says I am a second git. And you can see the commit changes from the commit tab on git, and you can see second commit, that is you are changing I am, the red means deleted lines from git and green means inserted or added into git. By this you can clone into your local repository and start uploading into your git.